A very good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start a new lesson of science, that is change around us. In this lesson we are going to study about reversible and irreversible change and physical and chemical change. In our day-to-day life, we come across different changes. For example, melting of ice, formation of curd from milk, dissolving salt in water, breaking of glass, growth of plant, ripening of fruits, blowing of air in balloon. What is a change? Let's study. Change means the act which brings differences in the form of material or things. Differences takes place by themselves or by living organisms. Some of the changes can be reversed. That is, the change can be undone. Such changes are called reversible changes. Let's study certain examples. We can convert water back into ice by keeping it in a refrigerator. We can separate water and salt by evaporation. If we release air from balloon, then it regain its shape. These all are the reversible changes. There are some changes which cannot be reversed. These are permanent changes and cannot be undone. They are called irreversible changes. Now let's study some examples of irreversible changes. Formation of curd from milk, breaking of glass, growth of plant, reduction in the height of lighted candle. These are irreversible changes. Changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. So, this is all about reversible and irreversible changes. Now, let's study about physical and chemical change. First is physical changes. A physical change is a temporary change. Let's study examples of physical change. Dissolving of sugar in water. Switching of an electric heater. Magnetizing a knitting needle. These all are the example of physical changes. Now, let's study about the characteristics of the physical change. Number 1. No new substance is formed in a physical change. Second, the change can be reversed or withdrawing the agent which causes the change. Third, the composition of the matter remains unaltered. There may be some changes in physical property such as state, color, smell, etc. Fifth, dissolution, precipitation, evaporation, condensation, freezing, melting, and sublimation are some of the other examples of physical changes. So this is all about physical change. Let's move towards our next topic, that is chemical change. Chemical changes. A chemical change is a permanent change in which an entirely new substance is formed with different properties. Let's study the examples of chemical changes. The first one is formation of curd from milk. Growing of a seedling from the seed. Burning of fuel, etc. are the certain examples of chemical change. Now, let's study the characteristics of chemical changes. The first one is one or more entirely new substance is formed in a chemical change. Second one is the change is permanent in nature. The third one is the change may be reversible or irreversible in nature. Fourth one is changes in the composition and properties of the substance take place in the chemical change. Heat or light may be given out or absorbed in chemical change. So students, this is all about chemical and physical changes. Thank you.